If you found yourself reborn into this world, could you survive your very first night using your modern wisdom? If your purse is heavy enough, this prison is your luxury resort. Pay the keeper, unlock your private VIP master suite, and order delivery from London's finest taverns here. You don't need to commit a heinous crime. Simply being unable to pay for a pint of ale or stealing a single loaf of bread could get you thrown into this living hell called Newgate.
If reincarnation had difficulty levels, waking up as a 17th century English prison guard would be standard outment hell, literally. Welcome to a completely unhinged era.
In the 17th century, the position of warden wasn't earned. It was bought from the king or nobility for a fortune. And since they paid a heavy franchise fee, you'd better believe they were going to squeeze you dry. Here, they charge you an entrance fee just to walk through the gates. It has a release fee to leave, and yes, if you want lighter leg irons, you pay by the pound.
Gill fever or typhus. It does not care about your status. Whether you are a prisoner, a guard, or the presiding judge, once you catch it, it is a death sentence.
In this place, death is not an escape from debt. If your family cannot pay the prison keeper for your corpse, you will not find rest in a hallowed grave. Instead, you will be tossed into a shallow pit of lime, or worse, sold by the pound to the dissecting tables of London's surgeons.
You think being a jailer means you can sit back and collect easy money? How naive. This job could demand your life at any second. In the 18th century, Newgate Prison was a hell of chaos. Disease rampant, men and women packed together. Until this man.
It wasn't until a century later, with the rise of reformers like John Howard, that this mad era of mass incarceration and prison expansion finally came to an end.
Compared to shoving everyone into a dark pit, this system was light years ahead. Venice defined modern governance.
His philosophy established the guiding principles of modern penitentiaries and inspired the birth of later model prisons. He forcefully propelled the history of human containment into a new era of humanity and science. The cycle of history never stops. Follow Vario to unlock more unbelievable and twisted chapters. See you next time.